Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for December 4 to 10, 2023. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Ayan. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay, let's see Virgo. What's up with you this week? Anong ganap sa mga Virgo this week? Taurus. Oh, very earthy yung energy ninyo. This is also about taking care of yourself. So, pwedeng you will give more time sa sarili mo, self-love, self-care, ganyan. Maari ring i-reinvent mo ang iyong sarili, no? Especially sa physical appearance mo, mas magiging maalaga ka sa sarili mo. You also have Libra energy here, harmonious, cooperative. So, this is also balance, bringing balance in your life, especially kung nung mga nakaraan hindi mo masyadong naibibigay yung sapat na oras at panahon sa ibang mga bagay na importante rin sa'yo. Example, sa trabaho, puro trabaho ka lang, tapos sa family mo or relationships mo, friends mo, hindi ka masyadong nakakapagbigay ng oras at panahon sa kanila. Or yung mga iba mong endeavors. So ngayon, you will balance your time and energy. You also have the Capricorn energy here. This is being more realistic and structured. So, pwedeng, since yung iba sa inyo nag-struggle sa time management, no? So, ngayong week na to, aayusin nyo ang inyong schedule, mas, kumbaga, i-monitor nyo yung mga activities ninyo. And, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng papasok sa business, mas magiging hardworking sa business or sa trabaho sa career ninyo. You also have the Magician. Yes. So this is about your creativity. May mga creative ideas kayo ngayong week na to. Some of you business related rin to na self-employment. Yun yung nakikita ko dyan. So it's about you showcasing your talents and your skills, or magpo-provide ka ng mga services, no, na hindi mo kailangan magtrabaho sa iba. You also have the Hanged Man and the King of Pentacles. Yeah, I think itong the Hanged Man energy is bibigyan mo ng time yung sarili mo na pag-isipan yung current situation mo, kung ano ba yung gusto mong baguhin. Kasi some of you really want to have a very stable finances or career. Oo. So, yan yung isa sa magiging major goal ninyo this week. You also have the Eight of Cups. So, some of you, I think ito yung pinag-iisipan nyo. Kung meron kayong iiwanan na sitwasyon na alam nyong hindi na kayo nag-grow, or sa tingin nyo, hindi na worth it na magstay doon. This can be a business, a career, a job, or a relationship, no? Para sa iba sa inyo. But I feel like you are gaining back your power. You are focusing more on building your finances. So, mas gusto mo na maging stable ang iyong kaperahan. Ayan. You also, diba? May new job, may new career for some of you, Virgo. Yan yung inyong i-will welcome this week. Wow, meron talagang opportunity coming in. This is also a windfall. So, pwedeng may biglaang opportunity na darating sa iyo this week na mag-open ng mga bagong work, bagong career. And itong windfall naman is about unexpected na pera. Oo. Unexpected na swerte. So, stepping into a new experience. Yes. So, I feel like itong experience na to, mararamdaman nyo or may experience nyo yan kung meron kayong iiwanan na sitwasyon na alam nyo medyo alanganin na, no? Na hindi na worth it. So, you also have bird flying. News is on the way. Meron daw balita na parating sa inyo. So, pwedeng ito yung opportunity na mag-open up sa inyo this week na, ito na. Gagawin mo na. So, you also have the rainbow. The most difficult part of a situation is over. Yes. So, kung ano man yung mga napagdaanan yung challenge in the past, especially sa career ninyo, tapos na yan, no? Yung iba naman, relationship. Kaya, ngayon, you are stepping out of that toxic situation para sa iba sa inyo. Or you feel na, it's time to move on, it's time to move forward. Go to a new direction. Okay, let's see what else. For Virgo. Yeah, 9th house. You have Mercury in Aquarius. So, Mercury is about communication. This is about your ideas, your learning. I think, yung iba, meron kayong opportunity to learn something abroad. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng ipapadala kayo ng company sa ibang bansa or sa ibang lugar para mag-training or meron kayong matutunan na bagong skills or abilities. And then, yung iba naman sa inyo, if you are applying to travel abroad or to work abroad, itong news na to, parating na to ngayong week na to. So, I see you na makakatanggap na ng update dito sa ina-applyan nyo or kung saan nyo man balak pumunta. Ayan. Let's see what else. Marami kayong great ideas ngayong week na to. Siguro nagkakaroon lang kayo ng confusion kung alin doon, saan kayo magsisettle doon. Kasi syempre, 'di ba, kapag lahat naman yan sinubukan mo, sabay-sabay, ikaw rin yung magsasuffer, lalo na kung hindi mo kayang i-manage. So, yan yung pwedeng maging struggle mo, yung decision making. Yes, you are moving on. You are going to a new direction. Kahit na may mga pumipigil sa'yo, lalo na kung ikaw ay aalis sa isang relationship, aalis sa isang trabaho, yung iiwanan mo, they will try to let you stay or they will ask you to stay. But of course, nasa sa iyo pa rin yan. O, you have the 5 of Cups. I think decided ka na rito kasi you feel like marami nang nawala sa'yo or marami ka nang missed opportunities dahil sa pagsistay dyan. Yeah, you have the Queen of Cups. I feel like you're going to be more committed sa sarili mo, sa pangarap mo, sa mga gusto mong ma-achieve. So, I also see you na mas magiging maalaga, no? Maalaga sa mga mahal mo sa buhay, mas magpo-provide ka ng mga pangangailangan nila. So, I think if this is an opportunity sa career, kung nakikita mo na mas mag-grow yung sarili mo and mas makakapag-provide ka sa family mo, mas pipiliin mo yung bagong opportunity. Okay? So, that is your reading, Virgo. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Virgo. See you again.